Well, today we are inspecting Kensington Club buildings. What's going on in this apartment is that the tenants are recently noticing water leaks happening. So Kensington always calls us up to come out here and take care of finding the leaks, fixing the leaks, and so on and so on. So today this is an old asphalt roof. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk around, heads down, looking at the roof the entire time and finding stuff that is in this general location that we feel would be causing the leak. And the leak. I will be using Repair Hero or Karnak, and that is an asphalt-based material coating that adheres to almost any type of material in the roofing industry. So from this point here is actually the high point. There is a cricket, it's a four-sided cricket leading to two drains. So whatever lands right here, rain-wise, water-wise, will divert off into these four corners and then roll down to wherever it will get to an exit point, which is usually a drain.